Easy, sweet, savory, protein-filled, gluten-free cranberry chicken salad over rice. An easy lunch or dinner that the whole family will love using just canned and shelf-stable ingredients for about $2 a person and ready in 30 minutes. Don't believe me? Watch this. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator eliminator. I help you hack your kitchen with quick, easy, budget-friendly meals using only shelf-stable ingredients straight from your pantry. I love a cranberry anything and everything. It's tart yet sweet, and with the chicken and seasoning, it's savory and so delicious. You can make the chicken cranberry and serve it over noodles or put it on sourdough for a sandwich. See my easy sourdough video. But today we are making it over rice. Healthy, gluten-free, and so filling. Did I tell you I have 4 teenagers? I did. I have 4 teenagers. I make rice with pretty much everything. Cheap, easy, healthy, and fills them up. Let me show you how easy this cranberry chicken salad is to throw together in no time. Okay, we're gonna start with a medium to large pan and 1 cup of rice. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of water right into our pot. And now we're gonna cook this rice on high until it comes to a boil. Okay, once it comes to a boil, we're gonna give it a good stir and we're gonna let it sit and boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until the majority of the water has evaporated. Now, once it's been boiling for about 5 to 10 minutes and the majority of the water has evaporated, we're going to turn our heat off completely and we're going to put a lid on the pan and we're gonna let it continue to cook for another 20 minutes. While our rice is finishing cooking, we're gonna start on our cranberry chicken. We're gonna start with a medium-sized glass bowl. We're going to combine 2 12.5-ounce cans of drained canned chicken, a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of yellow mustard, 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, a 1/2 cup of sliced almonds, 2 tablespoons of dill relish, a 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of dried green onions, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Now we're just gonna stir it all together. Now, once you got it all stirred, it should be looking something like this. About now is when our rice is gonna be ready. And it is beautifully, all the water has been perfectly absorbed and it is looking fluffy and delicious. So now the only thing left to do is dish out. Put yourself some rice and top it with your cranberry chicken mix. Look at how beautiful that is. And now the only thing left to do is enjoy. This is so creamy and so tart, so savory, and so delicious. Oh, it's just such a refreshing meal to have. I love cranberry chicken salad. Let me know in the comments if you would like to put this delicious cranberry chicken salad on rice, noodles, or on a sandwich. Changing up the carb is a fun way to keep meals interesting. And be sure to follow me for more amazing recipes using only shelf-stable ingredients and check out loadedpotato.org to see all of our recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and recommended products to save you time, money, and reduce your dependence on the refrigerator. Till next time! I made this cranberry chicken salad over rice to serve 5, but check out the recipes on loadedpotato.org and you can get the recipe to feed anywhere from 5 to 20 people, which is great if you have a big family or just want extra leftovers. And while you're there, check out our auto grocery calculator. If you want to have this meal on hand, ready to go in the pantry, and it will calculate exactly the groceries you need to feed this and any other loaded potato meal for 1 meal for 5 people or 20 people every night for 10 years. You pick your meals and we do all the calculating. Even add to your Walmart or Amazon Fresh cart right from our site, all free. loadedpotato.org.